Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JLab JBuds Air Sport with iPhone. At first you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. At the bottom you can find USB-A cable. You have to plug it to the charging brick or the USB-A input in your PC, for example, and be sure that your earbuds are inside in the case. Next you have to just take them out of this case and wait until one of these indicators on the left or the right earbud starts blinking quickly. So we have to wait. If it is not going to turn on automatically, we are going to move it to the pairing mode manually by clicking and holding both earbuds in this place. Okay, there it is. As you can see, we don't have to make it manually, so we can finally go for the settings on the iPhone, go for the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth right here. And now just be patient and wait until they pops on the list. As you can see, here it is. So simply tap once, and right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.